Okay, honey crunchers, let me show you how I did my spring Holo Flowers nail art. I'm using this bouquet of tulips as a design for 2 of my nails. Then I'm applying some silver holographic glitters. Then, let's add a color to the ribbon. Then, after letting it to dry, apply the colors you like. Then set it aside and let it dry completely. Now apply a fast drying top coat onto your nail and let it to dry a bit. Then, let's stamp the design onto the nail. Then do the cleanup. And then apply top coat. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!